If you want people to invest in your company, look at how wonderfully simple this is. There's a company called Chip. I'm an angel investor in it. There's an online calculator. What are your 100,000 shares worth? Whatever your shares might be. Now, this is the bit that's important. It tells me what percentage of the company I own. Oh, actually, not a lot. How much are you going to increase your stake by? Because they're doing another round and I might get diluted. Well, it tells me I've got to put that much in if I want to avoid dilution, double that or double the shares or whatever other amount. That's not where it gets interesting. It gets interesting in a second. Okay, total shares you'll then own will be that many. It'll still keep to obviously the same percentage because I'm avoiding dilution. And elsewhere they explain dilution, but here's the beauty. This is where they get me. If Chip is valued the same as, now you've seen this in PowerPoint presentations, but people don't make it interactive, right? Let's say it gets value the same as, not Nutmeg or Free Trade, Monzo, Revolut stuff. Let's just put in Revolut for a second. So remember, I've got a certain holding. Then the value of the company would be that. Fair enough. They've worked that out. They've got the maths. Value of my shares? 38 million pounds. Yeah, you've got my attention. Now I'm thinking, yeah, actually, I think I do want to put some extra in. Hang on, I put that in and yeah, okay, plus the existing. But let's say we got a bit more realistic. Nutmeg. Then the company would only be worth 700 million. Okay, I still make $1 million out of it, 1.1 million. Do you see the simplicity of allowing somebody to do that? Is that worth the effort? Hell yeah. Whereas when you got PowerPoints and people can't see those numbers, isn't as good. Look at that big button, invest now. No kidding, invest now. Obviously, there's regulations to be allowed to be doing this. They're regulated through a platform and they're doing this. I got Chip through Crowdcube, by the way. So my point is, if you can do that level of simplicity, you're going to raise capital. If you can't, then the investor's going to start thinking, oh, what am I getting? How much of the company do I own? How many shares? What's it worth? What's it going to be worth? That clarity is absolutely critical. If you don't make it easy for the investor, I mean, there's a lot more besides this that I need to see. And the reason I'm invested is because of the momentum they had, the number of users, momentum in turnover, momentum in a whole bunch of categories, including expansion and so on. But yeah, I love this. And I'm telling you that as an angel, you need to have one of these, okay? If you want to get investors coming in.